Hello viewers, Photoman here, and for this video we are east of the town of Lacomb, and this is a somewhat abandoned farm. I think in the video you'll see some dogs running around. There's a red car towards the north end of the property, and I believe that is the owner because he's in a Quonset doing some work or whatever he's doing. But you'll see the buildings are, all the outbuildings and everything are abandoned, long abandoned. But the house is really cool. I do have some photos at fotoman.ca if you want to head over there and have a look. But as always, thanks for tuning into the channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. We'll see you on the next one.